Hi, I'm Radu Popescu. Today I'm going to show you how to edit an MSI with Advanced Installer. To edit your MSI package, first right-click it and select Edit with Advanced Installer. Once the MSI database has loaded, head over to the left navigation pane. Here you will find all the options you need to directly edit your MSI. You will notice how the left pane contains fewer options like Schedule, Task, IIS, Windows Firewall, compared to when you create an MSI project from scratch. Once the MSI is opened, you can perform all the changes you need. For instance, you can remove a file. Or create some desktop shortcuts. Also some registry keys. The changes you perform in the interface will be automatically reflected in all the related tables from the MSI. This will save you time from manually editing each MSI table and decreases the chance of human error. When you directly modify an MSI, Advanced Installer will update the MSI during the build process operation, following the best practices and rules. Short name in the file table. Separating components for each EXE, DLL, and OCX file. Also setting the keypad for each component. If you're using a vendor MSI, it's best to customize it by using transform files instead of direct editing. To do that, click on the IT Pros tab and double-click on New Transform. Once you select your MSI, Advanced Installer will create a new project with the MST. Perform all the changes on your MSI just as you would in the direct edit mode. Navigate to the left main menu and choose the option you need to edit. When you add any files into the MSI by using a transform and save it, a cabinet file will be created alongside the MST. This is not an Advanced Installer custom implementation, but a default behavior of MSI databases. Save the MST and apply it when you are installing your MSI file. For more guides and tutorials, check out the Advanced Installer YouTube channel and also the Advanced Installer blog.